Good day, everyone. Welcome to MXLinux. Today, I am gonna show you how easy to install apps on MXLinux. I am using MXLinux 23 release inside the VM, and I love it. I want to install this to my main machine. Anyway, I also love the Conquer Manager baked in this distro. Let's open the MX tools. Of course, you can see lots of GUI tools that would make you life easier. Let's focus this time on the MX package installer. This is easy to use. Popular apps are categorized. You can easily check on what apps you would like to install. You can even install a desktop environment if you want to. Popular game launchers are also here. You can just check on the checkbox and hit install. Graphics apps for your productivity. You can simply install GIMP with all its plugins with no hustle. Inkscape, Krita, Blender and many more. For Office suites, you have many choices. It does have SoftMaker Free Office and OnlyOffice desktop editors that resembles a lot like MS Office. Again, you can just simply check the apps you want to install and hit install. Popular themes are also available. For today, let us try to install Chromium web browser. Check, install, input your password. Let it do the job. Hit OK when prompted. It is done. Let us close this up and find out if it works. Yes, we now have a working Chromium browser. What do you think of MXLinux?